Onion is a perfect medicine for sugar. It controls at any level. Can you believe this? As the proverb says, help done by an onion cannot be done by even mother. Is a truly valuable saying. Onion contains vitamins in it. It is unbelievable that it controls sugar. But this fact is said by the traditional Ayurvedic medicine. It is said that even high sugar, which cannot be controlled by allopathy, can be brought down with a 50 grams of onion. How is it possible? Listen to this scientific reason. A heavy dose of chromium exists in onion. It not only regularizes the sugar levels but also prevents type 2 diabetes. If we eat one onion a day, we can get reduced with heavy cholesterol in a lesser amount of time, and this is proved in a medical science research. Onion controls the sugar levels and increases the glucose strength in the body. It is very helpful in case of allyl profile disulfide reduction in blood sugar levels. Okay, why all these words? What sugar patients have to do? Eat onion regularly without fail. If you do it for 7 days, you will observe and see great results. So what is the technique? 50 grams raw onion should definitely be taken daily. Raw onion itself should be eaten either in the morning or it needs to be eaten along with rice, but raw onion is to be consumed. 50 grams of raw onion is equivalent to 20 units of insulin. If eaten regularly for 7 days, even high-level sugar comes under control. If 50 grams raw onion cannot be eaten at a time, consume it in parts in the morning, afternoon and evening. You can also eat this with rice by making a soup out of it. In the same way, for heart and blood vessels, the onion plants are very helpful. It reduces oxidation in cholesterol. It reduces the danger of heart-related diseases. It's useful to thin out the blood in the body and to circulate. It avoids solidification of blood in the veins. If blood in blood vessels solidifies, it leads to deficiencies in heart or cardiovascular diseases. Those who suffer from heart problems and blood pressure, it is better to consume daily 100 grams of raw onions. The sulfur content in onion controls the BP levels and reduces the cholesterol levels.